Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to part 2. We're going to be finishing up what I did last video, so just this little walkthrough here. I'll grab you guys through it, you know. Oh, I got a better setup by the way. So, I have an actual camera, and I have an actual mic now. So for this stuff, just need to lift this off. I did a little bit of tapping, because last video I didn't want to make too much noise. So, that is what I did this video. Sorry for the shakiness, I just had to get it in my hand. But now I lift this up, and then take the chain off, and then, you know, gotta get this off somehow. Maybe I'll do that today. I'm not gonna stay up too late, but my goal is, I got a few hours, so my goal is to kind of just have it all entirely done, entirely taken apart, so I can maybe start the sanding process. The wire brush and sanding process tomorrow. But yeah. So here, I'll throw you guys back on this little rig I got up here. Just gotta get you guys fully situated. Okay. Oh, well, I can't see myself now, so. Okay. Yeah, so now I can see what's in frame. I think that might be a little better, you know? So, yeah. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna listen to YouTube, but let's see what I pick up this time. Excuse me. It's like 9:30. I'm gonna be out here till 11 maybe. I don't know. We'll see. It'll probably be a shorter video, but I'll post one tomorrow. So, yeah. I mean, when I say post one, I mean record another one tomorrow, but yeah. Shocker, I'm gonna pick penguins again. He's just good to listen to, in my opinion. So, yeah, let's get to it.
We used to call me on my cell phone. And I was dreaming call me on my cell phone. And I was dreaming I know we are hiding. You know me one day. I know we are hiding. You know me one day. Ever since I left the city, got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows it's not for yourself. Girl, you got me down, you got me checked out. Ever since I left the city, started waiting, let you go no more. That was the different out on the dance floor. And you were some love I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Say that what you need me.
Okay, so I got the frame out. Well, not frame out, but got everything off the frame. So motor, axle, everything. It's actually a lot lighter than I thought it would be. So I can quite literally just pick it up and just start curling it, or like it's hard to balance. But it's pretty light, so I'm gonna lean it somewhere, and then I'm going to curl it somewhere, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do actually. I think that might be it for this video. Yeah, I mean I finished it all, so next video we start paint prep on this, and while the engine's off we might do a couple mods. But maybe like a stage 1, stage 2, I don't know. Depends on what I get the money for. So, yeah. See you guys.